Hi everybody, I'm here talking to Trang. Trang is a policy engagement researcher. She actually works to support researchers who want to engage with policymakers. And she's based in Hanoi in Vietnam. Hi Trang.
Hi Katrina, hi everybody.
Trang, 2020 has been a really interesting year. Can you talk about some of the changes that you have had to make this year to your normal working practice?
So I think 2020 is like a very special year for everyone. And at OUCRU, I think we have to get familiar with the work from home policies. So I have to arrange everything at home in order to get familiar with the new working environment at home. And I think 2020 is also like due to the COVID, we many activities have been delayed, and our policy engagement activities is in the same situation.
So what are some of those new or different activities that you've had to adopt?
Like because in our project, we'll have to do like interview with our key stakeholders, and COVID doesn't allow us to do so. We'll have to do the online interview with some of the doctors, like especially those who work with COVID patients. So yeah, online interview is also a new experience for me.
Yeah. And did you, after doing the online interviews and learning how to do them, is there anything like that that you think that you would continue to do, maybe even after COVID?
It is a new kind of interview that I've learned, but it is also quite convenient for me, like in Hanoi, when I have to travel to the other provinces to do just the interview. So online interview would have with the distance, have with the interviews that far away from the place. But I think the disadvantage of online is that sometimes it is not like as practical as the in-person interview. And but to save time and to save money, we can apply online interview with the like far away people.
Yeah. Thinking ahead, do you have any words of advice or encouragement for other people who are working to support research?
With my experience as the policy engagement researcher, I think to support research in OUCRU is quite like advantage because all the researchers in OUCRU, they are very open and they're very willing to share the information. Whenever I reach out to any of the researchers in OUCRU and ask any questions, they are very willing to share. They are willing to explain to all of my questions. So it is one of the advantages of our support team. And I think at OUCRU we'll have to do a lot of studies in different areas. So we can widen our knowledge in different areas, and we have chances to meet up with people in different organizations, different hospitals, different institutes. So we know how to deal with different people. So that's a kind of improving our skills.
Yeah.
And I think in order to do so, and like we as the research support team, we are the one of those persons who get things done, who make things run. And in order to make things work, we should know in detail what we want to do, what our targets are. I think be responsible, be willing to do, and be enthusiastic. If we are so, I think not only our crew researchers, but only our stakeholders are very happy to work with us.
So thank you so much for talking to us today, Trang, and I hope to see you at the webinar on Friday.
Thank you, Katrina.